So hi everyone. We are group two, and we investigate about tax credit bills. So my bill was House Bill 66. It's about tax credits on people who are in various conditions. The first scenario is school employees who are working. No, school employees who have houses inside the public school system district. And the other scenario is owners who made health and safety improvements within, no, after July 1st, 2023. The last one is participants in local housing programs. The bill aims to support educators, enhance community safety, and improve housing issues. However, there is a risk that these incentives will reduce local property tax revenue by a lot of amounts, which could put a strain on the state budget. The reason that I chose this bill, and I reason why I found this bill interesting, is because it attempts to like solve various problems in our community and make our community better in using tax credit bills. I think it's important because it addresses a number of issues to improve our community, making Maryland a more desirable and safer place to live. While there is potential loss of revenue, I believe that this is an important tool for us in long term because I think the long term benefit of this tax credit bill will be better for our community.
Is it Joshua here? Joshua Cho?
Oh, sorry, I was speaking, but my mic was muted. Sorry. All right, I'll restart. Hello, my name is Joshua Cho, and I've chosen House Bill 63. And in summarization, what this tax credit bill does, it alters the property tax to eligible disabled veterans. And the criteria is that veterans that were disabled during service and not disabled by misconduct, which is by doing something other than service, are eligible for this bill. And depending on the disability, such as blindness or maybe deafness, the veteran's property tax is either lessened or completely removed, which of course benefits them. And to the next slide, please. And the reason why I chose this tax credit bill is because it helps disabled veterans pay for their homes. And this is appropriate as they fought for their home country and sacrificed their well-being for it. In addition, it makes up for the pay that they would have had, but is either harder to get, lessened, or completely gone from when they were respectively more able-bodied and working as a veteran. It's likely that they would have worked more or been able to work longer before they were disabled. Therefore, they should be treated and benefited in that manner. Thank you.
Okay, hi, my name is Claire and I chose House Bill 287. This bill changes the eligibility criteria for the renter's property tax relief. Through this bill, the eligibility criteria goes from an income-based calculation to an asset-based calculation, which means that instead of just looking at the person's income to determine if this person is eligible, the State Department of Assessment and Taxation now looks at the entire net worth or assets the renter has as a whole. But it is important to note that this excludes the cash value of retirement savings and individual accounts as an asset. The bill also provides property tax relief up to $1,000 eligible for those whose combined net worth doesn't exceed $200,000. And some of the benefits of this bill is that it is more fair in distributing property tax relief among eligible renters because under an asset-based calculation, it shows the broader picture of an individual financial situation, making it easier to distribute property tax credits to renters who genuinely need it. And another positive point of the House bill is that implementing this bill does not really cost a lot of money, so it's very efficient in helping out many more people. I chose House Bill 287 as my individual report because I thought this topic was interesting. Before this assignment, I didn't know much about the subject of tax credits and property taxes in general, but after researching about this topic led me to a deeper understanding in this subject. In addition, this topic is really important to know about because it applies to many people living in Maryland and impacts them in a positive way. The House Bill 287 provides tax credit relief to many renters who might come from a lower income background and can provide less financial burden on them.
Hi, I'm Alex. I did House Bill 823, which is also known as the Melanie Nicole Diaz Fire Safety Act. This bill authorizes the mayor or government body of a certain county to grant property tax credit by law to improve fire safety in high-rise buildings. Not only that, but also establishes work groups under the jurisdiction of state police to develop more safety practices. The reason why I chose this is because how important it plays in our daily life. It addresses the importance of having fire systems within buildings, ensuring the safety of daily people in their daily lives. And they do this in multiple ways. While it takes more funding in order for all high-rise buildings to meet these requirements, I'd say it's important for the long run, because it'll protect the people as well as the high-rise buildings, making Maryland a more safer place to live.